it's Robin, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Tonight for dinner I made Japanese fried chicken. It's delicious, and a few side dishes to go along with it. I'll show you how to make them. Let's start with the Japanese pickled cucumbers. Assemble the ingredients. So in a Ziploc bag, you're just going to add the sugar, salt, and mustard powder and give that a mix. Chop the ends off of your cucumbers and then rub the ends together to get the bitterness out. Put the cucumbers in the bag, seal it up really tight, give it a good massage, and pop it in the refrigerator for a couple hours. Now they don't taste sour at all because there's no vinegar. These are a very different pickle and I love them. And they're so easy. So you just take them out and slice them up right before dinner or lunch. I hope you give those a try. On to the sweet onion rice. So you want to rinse your rice. I rinsed it 4 times. I'm using my rice cooker. You can make this in a pot on the stovetop if you like. Drain the rice and then slice a sweet onion, nice and thin slices, and then oil and the onion go in the pan and start to saute. Add some salt, and then you're going to add mirin and soy sauce and cook for a couple minutes. Add the rice and the onions to the rice cooker and then add the water. Pretty simple recipe, but oh, so delicious. And I have a cheapo rice cooker that works for us. I got it from my grocery store. We love it. And in about 15 to 20 minutes, you have the most delicious caramelized onion gohan. Okay, on to the chicken wings. Momofuku fried chicken. It's not really fried, they're baked. So prepare your pan. Put the wings skin side down. Now, you will flip these halfway through the baking time. In the meantime, make the sauce. So you see the ingredients there, and then also the recipes on my website. The link to that is in the description box, as always. So you bring all the ingredients to a simmer, and then turn off the stove. You're done. Basically, that's it. When the wings are done, they look like that. And then add all or just some of the sauce. You might want to reserve some of the sauce for dipping, but we just eat it off the plate like that. And it's amazing, so good. This whole dinner was an absolute hit. I hope you give it a try. See you next time. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help.